Jai Gurudev students, very good morning to all of you. Today continue with the same chapter, that is the nationalist movement. Students, in this chapter we had discussed the reasons for the growth of the nationalism. Okay? Now today I will tell you about the moderates and the extremists. See, during the movement, the revolutionaries were divided in two parts. There were moderates who believed that there are some gradual reforms will be there in the British rule, and there were the extremists who want the complete independence. That is, मॉडरेट्स चाहते थे कि ब्रिटिशर्स कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट कर दें अपने लॉ में, कुछ रिलैक्सेशन दे दें, दैट्स इट. लेकिन एक्सट्रीमिस्ट्स का मानना था कि हमको कंप्लीट इंडिपेंडेंस चाहिए. ओके, नाउ हु वर द मॉडरेट्स? सी, some of the moderates who believe that they need some reforms, and extremists, that is Bipin Chandrapal from Bengal, Lala Lajpat Rai from Punjab, and Bal Gangadhar Tilak from Maharashtra. They were known as the extremists. Matlab, they want the complete independence, students. So that is why they were uh, called as the slogan Tilak, that is the Bal Gangadhar Tilak, gave the slogan, freedom is my birthright and I shall have it. Okay, that is स्वराज मेरा धर्म सिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं इसे लेकर रहूँगा. Okay, in Hindi. So these three were the extremists. They believe that we have to get the complete independence. That is why they called as the Lal Bal Pal. Okay. Now about the partition of Bengal, students. How the partition of Bengal happened during that period. In 1905, the Lord Curzon is responsible for the partition of Bengal. He divide the Bengal. He actually want to divide or disunite the educated people and the radical people. That is, those who want the gradual reforms, that is the moderates and the extremists. Okay, and basically they want to divide those who are only want the Swaraj but they don't have the education and the educated person. Okay, now what happened? See, the Lord Curzon played the card of divide and rule as the Britishers always played, because there were Hindus and Muslims were there. Okay, so this is about the partition of Bengal, students. Now coming to the next topic, that is the boycott movement. What is that boycott movement? This movement is been about the boycotting or the ignoring the British goods, that is the English goods. Okay, so all the Indians will burn the British goods and use the Indians goods only, that is the Swadeshi goods, which is made up of that khadi. This movement is been uh, that is going on under the guidance of Honorable Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so in this movement what they did, they just used the bonfire. Have you understand the students? बहुत सारी लकड़ियाँ लेके एक जगह फायर किया जाता है, लाग जलाई जाती है, जस्ट एज वी यूज टू डू इन द फेस्टिवल ऑफ होली. ओके, तो उसी तरह उन्होंने जगह जगह in between of roads and in front of their houses, They just used the bonfire and picked up all the British goods and burned them all. Now, this boycott movement affected the British trade and industry, while the Swadeshi movement encouraged the local industries. Okay, so they give the encouragement to our Indian industries. See, this is the picture. Mahatma Gandhi addressing the whole people, and he is telling that we need to boycott the British goods. Now, the split in the INC, that is Indian National Congress. Besides the basic differences between the moderates and the extremists, okay, the both of them were take part in the boycott and the Swadeshi movement. The moderates were in the favor of Swadeshi movement and they refused the British goods. Okay, so this results that there was a split in the Indian National Congress in 1907. After this split, INC was dominated by the moderates. However, the two groups reunite in 1960. The moderates, what the moderates used to do is, students, they uh, just dominate the, okay, they dominated by the extremists. Okay, so after that they just reunite in 1916. Now about the rise of revolutionary. After this boycott movement, the Lord Curzon started a policy of repression. Thousands of Swadesian students were imprisoned and tortured. The act of the British government infuriated many people. As a result, the people decided to use violence against the Britishers. See, we are not the one to start the violence. The Britishers started it first and then we revert back. Okay, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स, बहुत सारे लोगों को जेल के अंदर डाल दिया गया विदाउट एनी स्पेसिफिक रीज़न. ओके, so that is why this is the reason the Indians were used to do the violence against the Britishers. Now British court faced death penalty. In this process they killed the British, and when caught they faced the death penalty. Permanent revolutionary like खुदीराम बोस. ठीक है, अगर किसी ने ब्रिटिशर्स को मारते हुए देख लिया, सपोज ब्रिटिशर्स को कोई मार रहा है, कोई इंडियन मार रहा है, और अगर उसने मार दिया है तो उसको फिर क्या करते थे, वो डेथ पेनाल्टी तुरंत दे देते विदाउट एनी रीज़न, क्योंकि आपने हमको क्यों मारा. ब्रिटिशर्स हमें मार सकते थे, लेकिन अगर हमने ब्रिटिशर्स को मारा, उनको किल किया, तो उसके बदले में what we get, what the Indians will get, they get the death penalty. मतलब उनको फांसी दे दी जाती थी, hang till death. So in that manner, Khudiram Bose was hanged at the age of 19. Praful Chaki, Chefrekar brothers, Surya Sen, these were the people who were hanged by the Britishers due to the violence. Okay, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, and of course the brave Binoy, Badal and Dinesh. These were the people who were the hanged by the Britishers. Okay. Now after these kind of punishment that is given by the Britishers, the intensity of the revolt were very high. So soon the government realized this thing and they sent back the Lord Curzon to England. And then the Curzon was succeeded by Minto with John Morley as the Secretary State of England. लॉर्ड कर्जन को फिर क्या बना दिया गया, वहाँ का सेक्रेटरी स्टेट बना दिया गया इंग्लैंड का. और उनके साथ में कौन थे, मॉर्ले एंड मिंटू. दे इंट्रोड्यूस द रिफॉर्म्स काउंसिल एक्ट इन 1909 and win back the Indians according to this act. इस एक्ट में क्या था स्टूडेंट्स? द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्टेड members in the imperial legislative council was increased. Indians could now become members of provincial legislative councils. देखिए उन्होंने क्या किया, बार बार ऐसे ही करते थे, जब भी कोई रिवोल्ट होता था अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिशर्स, उस व्यक्ति को वो इंग्लैंड भेज देते थे, और जिसके अगेंस्ट में रिवोल्ट बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ, और फिर उसके बाद क्या करते थे, कुछ ना कुछ एक एक्ट लेके आते थे, उसमें इंडियंस को थोड़ा सा पार्ट दे देते थे। तो वही किया उन्होंने, लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल में इंडियंस को एक पार्ट दे दिया, और सेपरेट इलेक्ट्रेट्स किया फॉर द मुस्लिम्स। ठीक है, सो दीज आर द सम ऑफ द रिफॉर्म्स विच वर डिड बाय द ब्रिटिशर्स just to attract the Indians, or to make them that they are in the favor of the Indians. Okay, now in the next class again we'll continue with the same chapter, students. In case of any confusion you can ask from me. Okay, Jai Gurudev.